In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook Business Account ID in Meta Business Suite. If you need to locate your Facebook Business Account ID, also known in many cases as your Business Portfolio ID inside Meta Business Suite. This is a very quick process once you know where to look. I will walk you through it clearly so you can find the number without any confusion. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and log into your account. Make sure you are signing into the correct business profile, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to let the page fully load, so all menu options appear properly. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. On that panel, scroll all the way down until you see Settings. This option is usually located near the bottom of the menu, so if you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling a little further. Click on Settings to open the Business Settings area. After that, focus on the menu that appears on the left side within the Settings section. Here, you will want to select Business Info in some versions of Meta Business Suite. This may instead be labeled Business Portfolio Info. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different on your screen, because both options lead you to the same place where your account details are listed. Once you open that section, look near the top area of the page, just below your business portfolio name. This is where you will find your unique ID number. That number is your Facebook Business Account ID. If you need to use this ID for integrations, support requests, or account verification, it's a good idea to copy it carefully and save it somewhere secure for future reference. Be sure not to confuse it with other account numbers or page IDs that may appear in different parts of Meta's tools. The specific number you are looking for is the one shown directly under your business portfolio name in the Business Info or Business Portfolio Info section. And that's all it takes. Thanks for watching.